Hello guys, it's my Brazil DC and welcome back to my channel. So anyways, our video for today is about natural makeup look. Like that I always do when I gonna go to somewhere that's like it's natural. And it's been 2 weeks that I didn't upload, and I wanna change my upload in like Saturday into Friday because Friday is where I born and I really love Friday. And so anyways, let's get started. First, let's gonna use the primer. And my primer that I usually see in my channel, I cannot use that because there's something like a thing that's there's a circle or a white, I don't know what is that. That is never existing before in my primer, a Shawil one, and now I'm gonna use this in the sunscreen, and it's better because it's so very hot. Like the heat index in the Gupan that I'm now here in the Gupan is 51 degrees, and I'm glad that my makeup is now here. And so let's get started. First let's use our primer. So you can use this as a primer substitute, and it's better because it's better because it's it's to protect you from the sun. Here. Okay. So this tinted sunscreen from Bello that they gave to me is like a foundation because it says here that this has a coverage, instant perfecting coverage layer under your favorite foundation or powder. That's it. So I layer this, and you can use this as a primer substitute. Primer, you know? Okay. So guys, I've been thinking that this quarantine I learned something that if there's drama or there's a thing or the heater started to bash you or something to say to you that it's not real, don't be affected. And just like me, I'm taking like when there's false news about me, like I never address it because why would you address it? Because you're gonna waste your time answering those stupid response of the haters. And yeah, if you know yourself, and if you knew that you don't do bad things in your life or do bad things in your life, and yeah, why would you respond to that? Like it's just a waste of time. So I cut off these people. I'm focusing on myself, focusing on people who loves me, and now I'm grateful. Okay. I think the primer did well. No. So let's get to the foundation. So I have this Maybelline Fit Me 120 Classic in the Classic Ivory, and this is normal to oily normal Hegaberry. So I've been using this since I'm a Maybelline fan or lover. So let's use this sponge and this one, this brush, foundation brush. So first let's use the foundation brush in this side, in my right side, and the sponge in my left side. So let's get started. So I'm gonna put the foundation here, and this is a natural look that I'm not gonna use eyeshadow because it's a natural look. Why would you put eyeshadow? So I ordered in Shopee an eyeshadow and a blush that it has free gift of a new eyeshadow as a shadow one, and eyeliner. So I can't wait. I've been waiting for like a week. I've been waiting for like 2 days, and I know it's gonna arrive in a week. yeah, I'm so excited. I want to create a look about that. So stay tuned, guys. And so let's start our foundation. So in the other one, let's gonna use the beauty blender. Once again, the foundation. This, oh my god, this. How many times I use this? Okay, that's good. So let's apply beauty blender. So guys, after this, I'm gonna show you in the brighter side to see what's what's my makeup difference or what you see. So it's kind of good. I wanna this side is so I don't like this side because it's a foundation brush. Because the foundation brush doesn't blend well. And this side is really blend well. So I prefer using this. So guys, the second one is we're gonna use the concealer. It is Maybelline Fit Me 10 Light, and let's use it. I'm gonna use a beauty blender. I don't want to use this concealer brush. So beauty blender makes everything better. Using your nose. I'm not gonna use a contour because I would use a contour if it's natural. Oh, I'm wrong. So, let's get started. Okay, so we're about to finish. Let's use our powder. Let's see, there's a mirror. So let's use a powder brush. I think it's powder brush or blush, but it's better. So let's go. If you have full coverage foundation, of course it will not. But if you use a foundation that is not full coverage, you know the result. Okay, I think I'm done. Yep. So I'm done, and now let's use the mascara. So this Hypercurl from Maybelline. Like all of this product is like 75% of it is like from Maybelline. Huh. That's something better. So let's go. I don't need to curl my lashes because it's very up. And you just play a category game challenge that there's a charcoal that is spread in my face that I think it hits this. And yeah, it's fun. Oh my god, I hate this because it's a big tip. Oh my shock. I hate this feeling. Oh my god. You know, if you have this problem, the concealer can fix it. God, I hate it. I don't like 100 times. I hate when this happens. Oh! The concealer just hide that. guys if you have a problem. Oh my god. Oh, my lashes. Okay. It's kinda good. Oh, please focus. Hey, focus. Focus on me. Yeah. Wait, I can do this by design. Not. Yep, it's good. So guys, we are done. So what? So let's get to the shout out. Guys, I'm back and now let's shout out to these people. Thank you for subscribing. Shout out to Asuka Nakamura, Sensijin San Jose, Matt, Andrea Polido, Erica Gabino Dalungan, Mary Joy Cado, Ashley Iluktu, Isaac Araneta, Elsa Bregas, Colleen Samson, Justin May Del Pilar, and Cassandra Martina Dupaya. So guys, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and if you are new here, click the subscribe button and I can give you a shout out. Just comment below. So I'm gonna show you guys what the look in front of the sun. In front of the sun, really? Guys, this is the look in front of the sun. It's look cakey a bit, but it's okay. And it's so hot, I cannot. Oh my god, I tripped. I almost tripped. Okay, so it's like a quarantine makeup. Yep. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell. Turn on the notification bell for more videos, guys. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.